My voice sounds really fake again, but that's just the way they go. Now, this is, you like my status?
Here's your video.
Here's your video. I'm really glad you're taking me to the Kalahari. I don't know what she's doing. Okay. Thank you for going with me to the Kalahari, and she just licked me. Okay, yeah. I'm really psyched about that. Where's your ponytail? We got the dudes going. Here, let me show you something.
Oh.
Let's pose, you guys. Now look at our outfits.
And our socks.
Here, let's show you. Yeah, everyone get on the bed.
Oh.
What the hell? Okay. What else should you put about your video? Well, what do we have to say?
I'm dizzy.
Okay, guys, let's give her a goodbye kiss. Mwah. Oh, hang on, Becky. And then, bye, Lizzie.